Awesome. These suggestions were great. Now I want you to give me some more of the same, and consider that I will most likely use PHP JavaScript and SQL database. And if you can provide me with the codings, let's just make one of them. Let's say I want to make user level badges. Everybody that has more than 100 karma is gonna become a partisan, which is I'll explain what it is. It's just access level gonna change on the SQL. Give me some code.
To implement user levels or badges, you first need to ensure that your database has the necessary structures. You need to keep track of a user's karma and their level badge. Here's a simple example of how your user table might look like.